Good morning, class 4 students. I'm your science teacher, and this is the part 2 video for the chapter 3 Useful Plants. In the last video, we have seen how plants are useful to us as they provide food. We have seen different kinds of food that is provided by the plants like cereals, pulses, oils, nuts, beverages, fruits, vegetables, and all these are important for our human body for the development and growth. But there are different other products which are given by the plants which are really useful to us. So in this video, we're going to see some other useful products given by the plants. The first one is the fibers. The fibers like cotton, jute, hemp are given by some plants only. Okay, and this cotton is used to make different kind of clothes for us. It is also used to make the carpets, towels, curtains, bed sheets. So the cotton is obtained from the plants only, and it is a fiber which is used to make different clothes and different cloth material for our daily use. Also, see, these are the mats, table mats, and the carpets. These are also made from the jute, and jute is also given to us by the plants only. You can see this is the handbag. The handbags and the shopping bags are also made from the jute and cotton, and these are the jute made handbags, and this is the rope. So this rope is also made up of the jute. So the fibers are used to make the clothes, mats, ropes, handbags, curtains, bed sheets, carpets, and so many clothes which we use for different kind of different purposes. Okay, so these are the fibers which are given by the plants only. Let's see the other product which is given by the plants. The other product is medicines. So some of the plants are used to make the medicines, or they are directly used as the medicine. For example, this quinine. Quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona tree. So you can see over here, this is the cinchona tree from which the quinine is obtained, and the quinine is used in the treatment of malaria. Okay, also you know the turmeric. Turmeric is easily available in the kitchens. You must have seen it. Okay, so it acts like a antiseptic and is used to heal the wounds. So this is the turmeric. You must have seen this in the kitchen, and you must have also seen your mothers using this turmeric to apply on the cuts when or any kind of wound when they get hurt in the kitchen, correct? Also you see this is the neem tree, and this is the tulsi plant. So neem, tulsi, and ginger is also have the great medicinal value and are used to cure the various diseases like cough and flu. These are very useful during the cough and flu. Medicines like tulsi and ginger is mixed to form some kind of medicine for the flu as well as for the cough. Okay, so these are the different plants like tulsi, neem, turmeric, cinchona tree. These are different plants which are used to make the medicines to cure different diseases. Okay, now let's move ahead and see the other product. This is the fodder. So fodder is provided by the plants, and it is used as the food for the animals. The animals like cows, buffaloes, these cows and buffaloes give us milk, and in return they eat what? Fodder. Okay. Also the horses, sheep, they eat plants and their products. The dried stems of grasses and other plants are called the cattle fodder. So these cattle, like cows, cows, buffaloes, goats, horses, all these eat the dried stems of grasses and other plants, which is also called as the fodder. Okay, let's move ahead. Next is wood and timber. So wood is obtained from the trunk of various trees like teak, shisham, rosewood, mango and neem. You can see this is a shisham tree from which we obtain the trunk, and from this trunk we make a lot of furniture. This room is full of wood furniture which is made from the trunk of the trees. Okay, so the big trees having the thick trunk like the trees, for example teak, shisham, rosewood, mango and neem, are suitable for making the furniture as their trunk is very thick and strong. Okay, they are used to make the doors and decorative items also. Okay, so let's move ahead and see some other products which are useful for us and are provided by the plants. The first one is the perfumes. The perfumes are made from the different flowers of the plants, like rose and jasmine are two examples of the flowers which are used to make the perfumes for us. Okay, next is the organic manuring. So these are the organic manures that are given to the various crops, okay, for the good harvesting. Okay, next is the natural dyes. The plants are used to grow for the natural dyes. Correct, the dye is being made from the flowers, and this dye is used to color the clothes. Okay, the clothes are of different colors like blue, green, yellow, and these colors are given by the dye on the white color cloth. So these natural dyes are useful and they are obtained from the plants only. Next is the rubber. You use this eraser frequently, and the tires you have seen in the cars, vehicles. Yes, so this kind of rubber for the eraser and the tire is obtained from the rubber plant. Okay, and this is again used to make the eraser or tires or any other plastic material. Okay, the next one is the paper. The paper is also made from the plants only. So paper is made from the bamboo or from the eucalyptus. Okay, in the Egypt they use eucalyptus to make the paper, and also bamboo is used to make the paper frequently. Bamboo is also used to make the brooms. See, this is a broom, and these kind of mats are also made from the bamboo. Bamboo baskets are also made. This is a basket which is made from the bamboo material. So I hope you have understood all the products that we get from the plants, and now you have understood how the plants are useful to us as they provide us so many things for our daily use. Okay, so please solve these assignment questions in your notebook. Name some plants that give fiber. How are fibers useful to us? Question number 2. Name some plants used for making medicines. Question number 3. Which medicine is used for the treatment of malaria? Question 4. What is fodder? Question number 5. Name some trees used to make furniture. Question 6. List 2 flowers that are used to make the perfumes. Question 7. Which plant is used for making the paper? So please do your assignment in your notebook. I hope you have enjoyed the video. This is the last video for the chapter Useful Plants. We are going to start with the new chapter with the new video. Thank you.